Morning, guys. Welcome to the channel. We got one here for y'all today. 2001 Silverado 1500. Somebody's done a little bit good of work here. Got a 6.0 engine in it, which we've removed the manifold. You'll see in the other short, it's got a hole in it. We're gonna be welding it up, trying to fix that leak for him. What y'all guys think happened here? Let me know in the comments what y'all think that hole came from. I have a pretty good idea, but I'd like to know what y'all think. But y'all, hey, don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, share, all that stuff. Hit that little bell down there. Appreciate y'all support. Y'all have a good day.